Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Slushbox is the slang word for automatic transmission, also called auto, self-shifting transmission, or AT. It is a type of motor vehicle transmission that can automatically change gear ratios as the vehicle moves, freeing the driver from having to shift gears manually. Like other transmission systems on vehicles, it allows an internal combustion engine best suited to run at a relatively high rotational speed, to provide a range of speed and torque outputs necessary for vehicular travel. Automatics transmit engine power to the wheels through a torque converter filled with transmission fluid. An impeller and turbine inside this converter connect the engine and transmission through a process called fluidic coupling. Because fluids are always present in this transmission operation, the term slushbox is commonly used in automotive circles as a result. It is located under the front hood as part of the drivetrain. A faulty slushbox may cause fluid leak, vehicle grinding and shaking, and gear slipping. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the transmission-related error codes. Stop driving if you find these symptoms in your car, and repair your vehicle immediately. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.